Hello everyone, welcome back to No Input channel. Today I've got something really exciting to check out. Fancy LEDs recently sent me the brand new HDMI 2.1 Fancy Sync Box, the FSP 3P 2.1, and after seeing what this thing can do, I couldn't wait to make a video about it. So first of all, a big thank you to Fancy LEDs for sending this over. If you've ever wanted your TV setup to feel more immersive, this is exactly the kind of product that's designed for that. The idea is simple. The sync box takes the colors from whatever you're watching or playing and extends them beyond the TV using LED lighting behind the screen. And honestly, the results look incredible. In this video, we're going to unbox everything, take a closer look at what's included, set it up, explore the app, and then test it with movies and some PS5 Pro gameplay. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Starting with the packaging, the box immediately gives a premium first impression. Around the box, we can see some of the main features, specifications, and supported technologies, giving us a good idea of what to expect before even opening it. The product supports HDMI 2.1, high refresh rates, and is designed to deliver real-time, synchronized lighting for both gaming and entertainment setups. Everything is clearly presented and the packaging itself feels very premium. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing we get is the user manual. This walks you through the installation process, setup instructions, and app configuration, making it easy to get everything running. Underneath that, Fancy LEDs includes multiple power adapters for different regions, which is always nice to see. Next up is the main unit itself, the Fancy Sync Box. And I have to say, this thing looks really good. The design is clean, modern, and premium. Looking around the sides, you'll find 3 HDMI inputs along with the other ports needed for the power and connectivity. Having 3 HDMI inputs is a huge advantage because you can keep multiple devices connected at the same time without constantly swapping cables. Moving on, we have the RGB LED strip designed for TVs between 55 and 65 inches. Also included is an 8K HDMI cable, which is a nice addition and means you have everything needed to get started immediately. We also get the corner mounting accessories. These help guide the LED strip around the corners of the TV while keeping everything neat and helping prevent unnecessary stress on the strip. And finally, we have the power cable along with the European power adapter that I'll be using for this setup. Now it's time to install everything. Before we begin, here's a look at my current setup. For quite a while I've been using Govee light bars behind my TV, and honestly, they've been great. They definitely add some atmosphere and make the setup more enjoyable. But after seeing what the Fancy LED system is capable of, the overall experience feels much more immersive in my setup. To start the installation, I'm placing the corner mounting accessories around the back of the TV. These make it much easier to route the LED strip cleanly around the edges. Once those are in place, it's time to attach the LED strip itself. The installation process is pretty straightforward and doesn't take too long if you take your time. After positioning the strip around the TV, everything is ready to be connected. Now it's time to connect the sync box. The LED strip plugs directly into the box. Then comes the power connection, the USB-C cable, and finally the HDMI cable. Everything is connected, everything is ready, and now for the moment of the truth. As soon as the system powers on, the difference is immediately noticeable. The colors are bright, vibrant, and incredible eye-catching. The room intensely feels completely different, and honestly, seeing it in person is even more impressive than seeing it on camera. Watching the colors move around the edges of the TV is surprisingly satisfying. The transitions are smooth, the colors are vibrant, and the lighting fills the surrounding space beautifully. Some scenes create an effect where it almost feels like the image is extending beyond the display itself. The corners light up, the wall comes alive, and the whole setup feels far more immersive. This is one of those upgrades that completely change the atmosphere of a room. Of course, the hardware is only part of the experience. The Fancy LEDs app gives you full control over the system. The setup process is quick and easy, and once connected, you have access to a wide range of customization options. You can adjust brightness levels, fine-tune the lighting intensity, and customize how the LEDs respond to content on screen. There are also different lighting modes and settings available, allowing you to personalize the experience to match your setup and preferences. The app is clean, easy to navigate, and gives quick access to all important controls without feeling overwhelming. Now let's see how it performs with movies. And honestly, this is where things get really impressive. Even something as simple as the Netflix intro logo looks fantastic with synchronized lighting behind the TV. The moment those colors spread across the wall, you immediately notice the differences. I also tested a variety of movies, including The Amazing Spider-Man, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, and Fast and Furious. Watching movies with this setup feels completely different. The colors extend into the room, action scenes become more immersive, and the overall viewing experience feels much larger. It's one of those things that's hard to fully appreciate until you see it for yourself. Of course, I also had to test some gaming on my PS5 Pro. Starting with God of War Ragnarok, the synchronization looked fantastic. The environments, effects, and combat sequences filled the room with the matching colors that reacted in real time. Next, I jumped into Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Swinging through the city while the lightning constantly adapts to the action creates a really impressive experience. And finally, I tested 007 First Light. The combination of detailed visuals and synchronized lighting looks absolutely incredible. There were honestly several moments where I found myself paying as much attention as I was to the game itself. The effects are really impressively good. After spending some time with the fancy LEDs, I can definitely say this has been one of the most enjoyable setup upgrades to the lighting I've tested. The installation process is straightforward, the app offers plenty of customization options, the HDMI 2.1 support makes a great option for modern gaming setups, and most importantly, the lighting effects genuinely enhance both movies and games. Whether you're building a home theater setup or looking to add a new level of immersion to your gaming experience, this is definitely a product worth checking out. A huge thanks once again to Fancy LEDs for sending this over. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to No Input channel for more content like this. Let me know what you think about this setup in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.